going on our Santa cruise this evening. We're on the main road to get down to the resort. Go validate our parking, get that arranged, and we're going to get something to eat at Tito's. So this is truly the North Pole Santa cruise. And ours is at 7, so it's a 45-minute cruise to the North Pole to see Santa and Mrs. Claus, and they read on the naughty and the nice list. No parking, no valet parking. We had to park around the corner. At the resort, normally you can valet. There's a couple of girls playing some instruments on the corner. It's really cool. Anyways, we're gonna have dinner at Tito's. Look how pretty the snow is.
So we're going to Tito's for dinner, and then we're going to go on the cruise to the North Pole. And so we came around the corner, and these two lovely ladies were playing their horns. Thank you for being Merry Christmas. Yeah, saxophone and a French horn, right? And you are? Sue?
Sue Durkin.
Sue Erkin.
Zaria Metz.
Zaria Metz. Another little treat tonight at Tito's Italian Restaurant down in Sherman. Very nice. Hi everyone, it's Brett and Lisa with Idaho Adventures, and we're going on a cruise, a boat cruise on Lake Coeur d'Alene. And what's the cruise, baby?
Santa cruise, but it's on the Osprey boat.
And it's the cruise to the North Pole. And our realtor, Megan Leary, best realtor in all of Post Falls, Coeur d'Alene, Spokane area, Washington and Idaho. She actually booked 2 cruises. One was at 6 o'clock, and we're going on at 6:45. And we're going to depart right here very soon. And we want you to come along this journey with us.
Of its kind in the country. I just love the holidays.
They just said this is the largest light show on the water in the entire nation.
It's the most wonderful. What have we here? Looks like a boatload of who-built holiday rejects heading out to visit the hideously junk O.L. Santa Claus. Well, I hope you all have a miserably terrible time. That's right! Miserable like me. Ugh, how I absolutely loathe all that singing and gift-giving and happiness. You all seem way too festive, and I don't like it. I'd like to take your gifts and decorations and feasts and happiness and stomp it all into little tiny pieces. Don't get thrown away when I'm screaming at you! I'm not done ruining your evening. I hope your Christmas dinner is covered with flies. Come back here!
Bye, Grinch.
The Grinch really needs to work on his people skill, Mrs. Claus.
Well, we've taken this trip every year since 2000, and we're not going to let the Grinch spoil our trip to the North Pole now. Elmer, did you know that more than 180,000 people have taken the journey to the North Pole with us? Or that the displays we are cruising past feature more than 1 million energy-efficient LED lights? Oh, that's all pretty impressive stuff, don't you think?
Her name is Serafina. She's 20 feet tall and breathes real fire. But she's really friendly, so I'm not scared. Her job is to guard the holiday castle here on the boardwalk. It's amazing. I bet a lot of work went into putting up all these displays.
Well, it took elves over 10,000 hours to assemble everything. But once it's put up, it only takes 2 elves to operate everything by computer. And every night after the cruises are over, one little elf goes around and checks every phone to make sure they're working.
There's some houses on the side of the hill there with their Christmas lights on. Beautiful. And that's where we're heading, over there. That's where Santa and Mrs. Claus are.
Seeing old friends, all the fun of it all. At holiday time, holiday time. Presents and goodies and everything fun.
Oh, ho, ho, ho! How wonderful to see all of you. I heard you came all the way from Idaho, ho, 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 just to see me. Well, when I saw you coming across the lake in that slick Coeur d'Alene cruise boat, it made me realize I hadn't souped up my own sleigh in almost 200 years. Ho, ho! So I dusted off my magic toolkit and went to work. Ooh. Mrs. Claus, let's see what this baby can do. All set? Oh! Ho, ho, ho! We're gonna get those presents delivered in record time this year. Ho, 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 ho! Listen to that engine purr. Ho, 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 ho. And my reindeer will be happy they won't have to work as hard. Ho, ho, all right, Mrs. Claus, shut her down. What do you think, kids? Pretty cool, huh? Ho, ho! And the best part is, we've got all kinds of different settings that we can play around with. For example, if we need to get to Norway in a hurry, we can turn on the Turbo Drive! Ho, ho, ho! And if we need to dash over the Himalayas, we can activate the Afterburner! Ho, 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 ho! And for all you kids that like to stay up all night trying to see me, I have to be extra sneaky. I can go fully incognito. Ho, 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 ho! As you can see, we're very high-tech up here at the North Pole. Now, how about we all take a moment to give a very special round of applause to Mrs. Claus for helping with the demonstration. Wonderful job, dear. Now, how about we all get into the Christmas spirit with a little bit of singing? I know. Who here knows the song Jingle Bells? Raise your hands nice and high. Oh, you do? Wonderful. Well, let's all sing Jingle Bells together on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ho, ho, ho! Give yourselves a big round of applause. What lovely singing, all of you. Ho, 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 ho. And what beautiful voices you all have. But now, I think it's time for some serious business. Mrs. Claus, could you get me my nice list? Lovely. Look at all these names on my nice list. Let's see. On my nice list is Mia, Ellie, Mason, Kellen, Junie, Jimmy, Chip, and Weston. Ho, ho, ho! What a wonderful nice list. Give yourselves a big round of applause for being so nice, all of you. Ho, 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 ho. Wonderful job. Now, me and Mrs. Claus need to go make sure that all the elves are hard at work, getting ready for this Christmas Eve. But before you all go, would you like to help Santa light up the magic Christmas tree? Ho, ho! Let's all count down together from 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to all of you! Ho, 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 ho! And keep being nice! Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas and goodbye! Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho.
the echoes. Thank you, Santa!
Let's eat. All right, let's eat. There's no dinner?
Welcome everyone.
Not a dinner cruise, huh?
Santa's workshop, where our toy making machine makes all the toys for good girls and boys around the world. And believe me, that's a lot of toys. And there's the train that takes all the presents from the factory right to Santa's sleigh. But do you see that area on the hillside? That's not a fun place. There's a big hole right there where we dig all the coal to put in the stockings of those children that haven't been good. Don't worry, nobody on the boat tonight will be getting any coal from Santa.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.